Howdy folks, welcome back to Wasatch Moto. In today's video, I'm going to show you why your brake lights might be staying on even though the car is off, the lights are off. Both brake lights are on, not the tail lights, but these outside bright brake lights. Now, the other day, I realized down here, there was these little green bits under the brake pedal. If you see these green little pieces of plastic, they probably came off of this. And this piece, basically, I'll show you where it goes, but that is the culprit, more than likely. It's a pretty common cause for this brake light staying on to be happening. So you can get a replacement one of these on Amazon for about $3 for 2 of them. $4 for 2 of them, something like that. So I'm going to show you how to pop this new one in. It's very easy. All you do is go ahead and start your engine, because you're going to need to have this on. And I'm going to show you why in just a second. So right up here, you will see that little plate, and in order to press this brake pedal down easily, you need the engine on. Otherwise, it's really hard to press down on this brake pedal. Now, hopefully you guys can see that okay. But basically, all you're gonna do is go in here, you're gonna push that little switch, push this switch up, and then slide that new piece in. So we're gonna wedge this in, we're gonna push that clip up, we're gonna push that pin up, slide it in place, and then just simply let off, and the pressure of that will push this into its little place here. And it has these little locking things. So as you can see now, that stays where it should. And it is as easy as that, folks, to fix the brakes. See, now they're off. Everything is good again. I hope this video was helpful. If so, make sure and tap that little subscribe button. Give this video a like, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Later.